Thing right here that all of y'all keep asking me about. It's my little rotary grater that I got here off the TikTok shop by one of my favorite brands, Susties. And y'all, I love this thing so much. But y'all, it has all of these attachments. You get all of these included. That's 5 different attachments. So I like to grate my cheese. You can julienne some carrots. You can like slice up some things real thin. You need a Christmas gift for anybody in your family. This will be a good one. And it's dishwasher safe. So if you want one, I'll tag it down below for you.